Here's how you can easily delete your YouTube search history. First up, go over to YouTube. Once you're in the YouTube app, click on your profile right over here, and then click on the settings option, and then click on the manage or history option. You can then click on the delete option right over here, and if you want to click the all-time history, you can easily click on the delete all-time. And if you want to click the history or the searches you have made today, you can easily click on the delete today option. But for this video, I'll be deleting my entire YouTube search history, so I'll select the delete all time option. And it's going to ask you if you really want to delete your search history. You can easily click on the delete option, and you can click on the got it option. And there you have it. That's how you can easily delete your YouTube search history. So that said, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.